today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing toolbar in Google Sheets. If you've opened a spreadsheet and the formatting buttons and menus you rely on seem to have vanished, don't worry. This usually happens because a quick toggle was triggered, and it's easy to bring everything back. First, try the fastest fix. Use the keyboard shortcut that shows or hides the toolbar. On Windows and most Chromebooks, press Ctrl plus Shift plus F. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus F. This shortcut is designed to instantly toggle the toolbar's visibility, so if it disappeared by accident, pressing it once should make the toolbar reappear. If you don't see a change, press the same keys again. It's a true toggle, so it switches back and forth each time you use it. Many people hit this combination unintentionally while formatting text or navigating, which is why the issue can seem to appear out of nowhere. If the shortcut doesn't do the trick, use the on-screen toggle arrow. Look to the top right corner of your Google Sheets window. Not in the browser's bar, but just inside the sheet itself. You'll see a small downward-facing arrow icon that controls whether the toolbar is shown or hidden. Click that arrow once to expand the toolbar and bring back your menus and buttons. If the toolbar appears but then disappears again, click the arrow once more to set it to the expanded state. This visual toggle is especially helpful if you are not sure whether a shortcut was pressed. Now, if the toolbar area looks like it's there, but the icons are blank, missing, or not loading correctly, simply refresh the page. Google Sheets saves changes automatically to the cloud, so it's generally safe to reload. Give it a moment to sync if you see a saving indicator, then refresh and let the page fully reload. If a refresh doesn't fix the missing icons, close and restart your browser, then reopen your spreadsheet. A quick restart often clears temporary glitches that prevent interface elements from rendering properly. To recap, start with the keyboard toggle Ctrl plus Shift plus F or Command plus Shift plus F. Then use the small arrow in the top right of the sheet to expand the toolbar, and if the space is visible but blank, refresh the page or restart your browser. With these simple checks, your Google Sheets toolbar should be back and ready to use. Thanks for watching.